at the top of the order.
Oh, that's a wonderful way to...
Kusal Mendes, Pathum Nissanka, they've been very good at the top of the order.
Oh, that's a wonderful way to get things moving. More runs. Oh, well, a little chop on in the end. Oh, what a lovely shot. That's delightful to watch.
The first 2 balls, and that's another one.
It brings long on up, and he still finds a gap there, does Nissanka.
In the air, could be out, is out, there it is. Slashed away, 4 more runs. Push on, strong, beautifully played. Oh, he's hit that up in the air, this might be out. Should be taken, is taken, backpedaling.
It is the bigger boundary, leg side, but that does not matter at all. Oh dear. He's trying very hard to run himself out at the moment, is Sri Lanka. Near the beginning of the innings, they were able to start overs with boundaries, but it's not happening at the moment. Instead, it's wickets.
Oh, wow, magnificent! This is absolutely brilliant from Bangladesh.
Beautiful bowling, beautiful captaincy.
Beautifully bowled, they like it a lot. Threw the ball up in the air, bowls rough in a jiffy. He might have picked up his 3rd here. Got him, another one. Wickets at exactly the right times. Big smile as well from Taskin. Having a big swing, might be out, might be a wicket, is a wicket. Bangladesh have been brilliant. Slow delivery, hammered that, might be out. Oh my goodness. Big deliveries, slice that, and he's picked up a wicket. After those 8 overs and 124 for 9.
Bangladesh were absolutely switched on with the ball.
Is the captain, and he takes a nice catch.
Here's the first one. Oh, bowling, full leg ball.
Top children, and it goes in no man's land. It's a boundary.
Oh, he's got him. Low catch. Delayed celebration, but he's picked up another one. Last ball of the power play. Nicely pushed through the covers, nice and controlled. That's what they've got to do. That's a beautiful shot for 4.
We'll get back to that after this. This is a beautiful shot. Lovely timing, just crisp and beautiful.
He's 3 runs from this over so far. Going with the spin, the wrong, and he's dispatched that for 6.
That is a wonderfully controlled shot. This is the way to play him.
And he goes for another one, just like the other one. It's another massive 6.
This is superb. Wants to fight back, wants to maybe possibly take one back.
I'm going to ask you to change your decision from not out to out.
Wanendo Hasaranga is wanting another wicket.
Short delivery down towards 3rd. Oh my goodness, what a beauty! Takes it up. That is magnificent work. That is out. We're looking at that, and he gives that out. Bowled him. Bang on target. Oh, has that hit the pads? I think it has. I think it's hit the pads first.
Just roll that back. Paul, I'm going to ask you to reverse your decision.
Sliding leg side, it's going to be a wide. Shanaka, oh, full toss, friendly full toss, 6 runs. Last ball of this over. Slow delivery, down the ground, try to stumps, would have been out. They're going to come back for a second, this is it. So Bangladesh win by 2 wickets in the end.
Towhid.